Hi, I'm Veronica from Southwest ToyotaLift. Today, I would like you to meet the Advance model number SW8000 Industrial Rider Sweeper by Nilfisk, the largest, most powerful ride-on sweeper in its class, engineered for heavy-duty performance and unmatched productivity. With a massive 77-inch sweeping path, the SW8000 covers more ground in less time, making it ideal for warehouses, manufacturing plants, and large outdoor lots. Its max-access design provides easy entry to all service areas, while the proprietary dust guard system uses fine mist control to virtually eliminate airborne dust, keeping your operators and facilities cleaner. Operators will appreciate the simple one-touch controls, comfortable operator station, and superior visibility, ensuring safety and ease during every shift. The large-capacity steel hopper and high-dump feature make debris disposal fast and efficient, so your team spends more time cleaning, less time unloading. Built tough for indoor and outdoor use, the SW8000 delivers rugged durability, low maintenance, and exceptional sweeping performance shift after shift. Maximize your cleaning power with the Advance SW8000 Ride-On Sweeper, the industrial sweeper built for productivity and performance. Request a demo or quote today at swtoyotalift.com and see what clean efficiency really looks like.